Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more great tips on personal finance and business success. Today, we're diving into a topic that can change your financial future: how to transform your credit score fast with proven strategies. Before we get started, make sure to watch until the end and check out the video description below for valuable resources that can help you continue your journey to a better credit score. Let's get started. First, let's understand what a credit score is. Your credit score is a number that represents your creditworthiness. It's calculated based on your credit history, the amounts you owe, your payment history, the length of your credit history, and new credit inquiries. The first step to improving your credit is knowing where you stand. Get a free copy of your credit report from sites like annualcreditreport.com. Review your report for errors. Mistakes can drag down your score unnecessarily. Found an error? Dispute it. Contact the credit bureau and the company that provided the information. Provide documentation to support your claim. The credit bureau must investigate within 30 days. Your payment history is 35% of your credit score. Make sure you pay all your bills on time. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. Next, focus on reducing your credit card balances. Aim to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%. Paying down high-interest debt first can save you money in the long run. Keep older credit accounts open. They help lengthen your credit history. Only apply for new credit when necessary. Multiple inquiries in a short time can lower your score. If you have little to no credit history, consider a secured credit card or a credit builder loan. These can help you establish credit when used responsibly. Finally, regularly monitor your credit to track your progress and catch any errors early. Tools like Credit Karma or Experian can help you stay on top of your credit score. Improving your credit score takes time and effort, but with these strategies, you're on the right path. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more tips on achieving financial success. Leave a comment if you have any questions or want to share your credit improvement journey. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video on transforming your credit score with proven strategies. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they set you on the path to financial success. If you're looking for even more resources to guide you on your credit improvement journey, be sure to check out the video description below. We've included links to tools, guides, and additional information to help you every step of the way. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions or want to share your own credit improvement story. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.